Warm wishes to all. Welcome to the blog of St. Aloysius College, Edathwa, Naval Subunit. The Prime Minister said the world's expectations from India has increased and the corporate sector must take advantage of the trust that India has gained across the world during the coronavirus crisis. Stressing on the need for self-reliance and a stronger focus on manufacturing locally by enterprises. The Prime Minister said the government's highest priority is to strengthen the economy against the impact of coronavirus and get the country back on the growth track. Calling industries to rise to the occasion, the Prime Minister said there is a need to build robust local supply chains and focus on Make in India. The Prime Minister pointed out that the ramping up of manufacturing of personal protective equipment (PPE) over the last 3 months was a positive step. Efforts are being made to reduce import dependence in sectors such as mobile and defense manufacturing, he said. It is about creating strong enterprises in India, enterprises that can become global forces. It is about generating employment. It is about empowering our people to come out and create solutions that can define the future of our country, Modi said. The ways to reduce imports that have to be identified along with the setting targets to increase productivity in various sectors, he said. Prime Minister said the world's expectations from India has increased and the corporate sector must take advantage of the trust that India has gained across the world during the coronavirus crisis. India helped over 150 countries with medical supplies during the corona crisis. India has the potential, strength and ability to emerge as one, he said. There is a need for intent, inclusion, investment, infrastructure and innovation to get back on the path of the growth, he said. We will definitely get our growth back. India will get its growth back, he said. The Atmanirbhar package announced by the government not only provides immediate support to MSMs and needy sections of the society, but also contains a long-term reforms such as opening up of the coal and mining sectors to help the industrial activity. India's GDP growth slipped to an 11-year low of 4.2% in 2019-20, and most economists expect it to contract this year. Modi said the government has made a host of sectors future-ready with a systemic planned and integrated reforms. The PM urged industry leaders to think big and come up with a detailed study of every sector and build consensus on reforms. The government has tried to support micro, small and medium enterprises through changing their definition. Lakhs of units of MSME are like economic engine of our country and their contribution to GDP is around 30%, he said. Be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe, be ready to fight against COVID-19. Thank you. Jai Hind.